Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can go ahead and take a look at your Spotify Wrapped, guys. So basically, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on Spotify, and then once the Spotify actually does load up, guys, right below your like songs, there's going to be a little option, kind of a section here. It's going to say hashtag Spotify Wrapped your 2022 in review. Now, basically, this is going to be your Spotify Wrapped. Now, it does create playlists for you of all these songs you've actually listened to through Spotify Wrapped and stuff. So basically, you're just going to want to disregard all that. Let's say you want to take a look at the little slideshow that they do give you and stuff. It's pretty much going to be the first option. So go ahead and click on it, and then you guys can see that your Spotify Wrapped should start playing now. So you guys can see that, it shows me my Spotify Wrapped and what I've listened to and stuff. Now, basically, it does take time for him to actually showcase it because it will tell you a couple of things and stuff, but you guys can see that I've been listening to this song for about 150 times throughout this year, which is absolutely insane. No idea how I have not gotten sick of that song, but you guys can see I played over 1,000 songs and stuff. So that's pretty much how you guys actually take a look at your Spotify Wrapped, guys. So hopefully you found this video extremely helpful, and that concludes today's video.